My neighbor's dog hasn't barked in 3 days. That's because it's been staring at my bedroom window without blinking.
Dude, you're freaking me out. What do you mean it hasn't blinked?
I mean exactly that. Every night, same spot. Just watching. And last night, I swear, its mouth moved.
Dogs don't do that. You're losing it.
That's what I thought. Until I saw its owner standing behind it. Motionless, smiling.
Okay, no, that's not...
And then the knocking started. Not on the door, on the window, right where the dog was staring.
Did you look?
I had to. The curtain moved on its own, and behind it, the dog's face, pressed against the glass. But its eyes, they weren't a dog's eyes anymore.
What were they?
Mine.
That's impossible.
Then why do I feel my skin itching? Why do I keep finding clumps of fur in my bed?
You need to get out of there now.
I tried, but the front door won't open. And the knocking. It's not just at the window anymore. It's inside the walls.
Call the police.
I did. They came, but when they looked at me, they just smiled, like the neighbor.
What the hell is happening?
I don't know, but the dog's barking again. And it's not outside anymore.
Where is it?
Under my bed. And it's whispering my name.
Right.
I can't. My legs won't move. And the mirror just cracked. Something's looking back at me. And it's not my reflection.
What do you see?
Teeth. Too many teeth. And it's saying,
Saying what?
"You're next."
Break the mirror, smash it.
I try. I grab the lamp beside me and swing. But my arm stops mid-air. Something's holding me back.
What's stopping you?
My own reflection. It's not copying me anymore. It's controlling me.
Fight it.
I can't. My body isn't mine anymore. The reflection grins, and suddenly I'm smiling too, against my will.
What does it want?
The dog whimpers under the bed. The reflection tilts its head and whispers, "Let us in."
Don't listen to it.
Too late. My mouth moves on its own. Yes.
No.
The air turns cold. The walls start bleeding. Not blood. Something thicker. Darker.
Get out of there.
I can't. The door's gone. The windows are gone. Only the mirror remains. And the thing inside, it's stepping out.
Close your eyes.
My eyelids won't shut. The thing reaches for me. Its skin is peeling off. But underneath, it's not flesh. It's fur.
Oh God.
The dog under the bed whines. The thing from the mirror grabs my face and leans in. Its breath smells like wet earth and rotting meat.
What's it doing?
It's whispering, "We've been waiting for you."
Who's we?
The floor creaks. Shadows move on their own. And, one by one, eyes open in the dark.
You're not alone. Math?
Never was.
What are they?
Not dogs, not people. Something in between. Their mouths stretch wide, but no sound comes out. Just wet, clicking noises.
Can they hurt you?
The one from the mirror drags a claw down my chest. No pain, just cold. And where it touches, my skin turns gray. Stiff, like
Like what?
the neighbors.
Oh God.
The dog finally crawls out from under the bed. Its fur is patchy, ribs jutting through skin, and its eyes, they're human now. My eyes.
That's not possible.
The dog whimpers. The sound comes out as words. Help me.
That's your voice.
The thing from the mirror lets go. My body crumples to the floor. I try to scream, but the dog screams first. And then...
Then what?
The shadows rush forward. The last thing I see is the dog's mouth, opening wider, wider, until there's nothing left but teeth.
Wait, it was a dream?
My sheets are soaked. The clock reads 3:07 a.m. and outside my window,
Oh no.
the neighbor's dog sits in the moonlight, staring, not blinking.
But you're safe now, right?
I pull the blanket tighter. The dog cocks its head, and from somewhere deep in its throat, it laughs.
That's not...
The bedroom door creaks open behind me. A voice whispers from the hall.
What does it say?
We told you you'd wake up.